Okay, just to show you on this video how these HUNICOM walkie-talkies come packaged. I always think it's very useful to know exactly what you're getting if you're ordering something, so that's what this is all about. You've got a USB cable here to actually 2 micro USB ports. Very interesting, an integrated cable, only one charger needed to charge both at the same time, it looks like. And then what else do we have here? We've got the walkie-talkies themselves and what looks like separate batteries. Yep, so they're the battery packs. Just there's any information on the battery. Capacity is 1200 milliamp hours. Okay, and here's the actual walkie-talkie itself. Obviously this isn't going to work yet because I haven't put the battery in, but it's a chunky walkie-talkie that feels solid. That feels like you are not going to get any damage or anything like that. Really feels very, very sturdy. Okay, you could drop that. You could, yeah, that feels pretty good. Okay, size wise, including the antenna, you're looking at just over 15 centimeters in length. Without the antenna, more like about 10.5 to 11 centimeters. You've got a switch, frequency or volume just there. Sorry, not frequency, it's volume. And a menu there, a lamp. Yep, you know what? I'm going to give this a good test. Oh, look, you've got inputs and outputs for speakers and mics. Okay, in case you want to add a headset to that. Right, I'm going to give this a good thorough testing, and I'll let you know in the written review what it's like to actually use.